Hello everybody, how you doing? Hope you're okay. Well, welcome back to the channel. Another video. And today I came across this place. I was just out for a walk. And I thought I'd make quite an interesting video. Well, I think it'd make quite an interesting video, you might not. I think I'll put it under one of my kind of series of modern landscapes, I think it was titled. And yeah, it's probably about, I don't know, half a mile walk from the car, so it's not too bad. And yeah, you'll find out when we get there what it is. I think it's quite interesting. And yeah, so let's crack on and I'll show you when we get there. See you in a bit.
Hi.
So welcome to Spetsbury Railway Station, well, what's left of it anyhow. And like I say, I came across this the other day when we were out for a walk, and it's nice that they've still got the old remnants of the station. And I think there's sort of volunteers come along and keep it tidy, and basically what they're trying to do is help the wildlife, which is really good. We're up for that, helping the wildlife. And it's really nice, and it's nice to have somewhere to sit down and have a cup of coffee. And I haven't got cheddars today, I've got McCoy's ready salted crisps, so a bit different there. But it's quite popular. There's been lots of sort of doggy walkers and cyclists going past. But so what I've tried to do is try to catch some of the old remnants of the station, like the platform and a few other little bits and pieces, a couple of signs around. So hopefully they come out okay. It's something a little bit different. You know, it's still nice to be able to see that there was a station here. And there's a few bits and pieces just to remind us of that. Yeah, I sometimes sit at places like this and wonder, you know, when it was up and running, the people would have been getting here in the morning, going to work. Maybe they were here on holiday and they were here going off to here, there and everywhere as part of their holiday, or just about going about their everyday business. You know, a bit of a people watcher. I like things like railway stations, airports. I just sit there sometimes just wondering where these people are going. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to drink my coffee, crack on, get a few more photos, and then head home. And the weather's not too bad today. It's a bit overcast. Kind of get a few spots of rain, but it's quite broken cloud, which is quite nice. So with that, I'm going to say, if you enjoyed the video, why not give me a thumbs up? That'd be really good. And if you enjoy watching my videos and you want to see some more, why not maybe consider subscribing to the channel? That'd be really nice. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one, wherever that might be. And I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourself, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye. Coffee.